Trouble! What's up, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I the girl. I the girl. Anyways, guys, so I'm not even supposed to be happy or smiling right now. The thing is, yo, my car. As you can see, this is a different car right now. I'm in my mom's car, guys. Yeah. I mean, make it look. I'm the one who make it look like this dope and everything. Trust me, this a carrier. A woman carry this. But anyways, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know this. But my car is giving me problems. So they're in the shop right now. You hear me? I say it's in the shop right about now. Why the lighting on Instagram? It's in the shop. Blah blah blah. Long story short, I can't do my job that I was supposed to do on the weekends and shit. And they don't know the cars where I do my reactions from. And stupid me leave my other camera in my damn car. I'm left the car in the shop. So I don't know when I'm gonna get my car back. If it's gonna be for a minute or a couple days, I don't know. But no, that's what this one talk to me. But yeah. So today, click to the title. We're going to talk about Zesser, the movie. As y'all know, last night, oh, y'all don't know. Follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs to get all these juicy stuff, guys. But this is the movie. I just watched that movie, yo. I'm going to talk about it right now. You understand? And the link, if you guys want to watch the movie for yourself, the link is going to be down below in the description of my video. And the movie is not free. Okay, guys, it's not free. If it was free, to the depot on Netflix and then please you can go watch it. You know me? So now I go support the artists, them and everybody, the team. So the link to the movie, if you want to watch it, it's going to be down below in the description of my video. So I'm going to preach for myself. Overs. Ja! Rastafari. Anyways, the movie, people, the movie. We have man like Swanee. We have man like Mr. Grill. We have man like, what the bodyguard doing there? We have man like Johnny Bravo. We have man like Miss Boss. We have Plumpy Was. We have Jolano. No, Plumpy ain't that, sorry. We have Jolano. We have man like Bumbleclip. We have man like K-Lion. Yes! K-Lion, a bad blood clip. One of the boys. We have man like, oh. One bag of Bumbleclip people there that they take, dog. They take lit. Me take lit, yo. Last time I watched a video, dog, movie, dog. See me here? Everything action packed from start to finish, people. See, if you never watch a movie there, on the need to go watch a movie there, brother. From start to finish the movie, I kick out teeth, movie bad. Oh, it looks so clean, man. Jano. But yeah, from start to finish, people, the movie on point. You see me answer? So, movie start off. Mr. Grill. Mr. Grill a bad actor to them. The Indian roach in the movie. Roach, cockroach. Like the insect, a lot clot. So yeah. Roach got some man breed something, dog. I'm not giving everything in the radar. I'm not giving on everything in the dog. I need to go watch him for myself in the dog. You know me I say. But if you know if you're mean, so I know I can talk about it now. But still if you go watch it. Me talking about it now, I'm not gonna understand it fully. So me talking about it, guys. Not really, you're really gonna go get the full thing. But I need to go watch it, dog. Trust me. Trust me. It lit. Lit. I'm gonna say link down below in the description. You understand me? Yeah. Oh, and watch it. When I realize I'm not really, I can't go up on the work I'm need for them. So, I know, I never said this before, but I have to go watch 2 ads right now in the dog. So, watch the ads them. Watch the ads them. So, if an ad hit you in your face right now, watch the full ad. So, you go support me right now in these times because right now we need that. But anyway, so yeah, the movie. So, Mr. Grill start off with Roach. You see me, I said, the woman attempts she pregnant and thing. Oh, well, I don't forget, man, like Motex. Bumbleclip, Motex in the video, Motex in the movie, dog. Man, like Motex, hey. So, in that show, too. But, anyways, Mr. Grill said the woman get breed. You see me, I say, and also, once a woman breed in the dog, once you're going to get a you, once you get up on the way, you go find, you're going to go through any means and ways to make sure, say, a youth have a good life. You can take care of a youth when a youth born, dog. So the show start off, dog, with the woman at time say, yo, she got pregnant. She pregnant and she got up a youth. You me and say, Mr. Grill get hot. What Mr. Grill? Bumba clock. Everyone should get hot now in the dog. So yo, we need the money to take care of the youths and thing in the dog. So because the woman link up 2 man, make 2 calls, and that's why the dealing start going. You me and say. So all this bad boy police that I think, yo, the police there, why am I dog? Officer Scope. Why am I remember the Bumbleclip name when I last time watched something that? But officer, the police, the dog, the police said, all this. Oh, this, I going on something like phone and quality. The quality too perfect. You see every bumbuckle bell thing. Sure. But anyways, officer scope. I don't remember why I'm naming the dog. But when I say, I seen them, I showed that I got 2 man. I said, so, not 2 man. Some man put up in one tea, that one barber shop. I see me, I said, officer scope. Or officer sniper, whatever. I don't remember the bumbuckle officer name of that. But him, the dog get a haircut, right? Them could eat that boy, dog. Running. What do I try? Rob the bumbuckle barber shop. Babylon does the officer scope or whatever I'm name. Officer there in a barber chase or something. Man here just target him, look fade and thing and that come here, I'm fade fresh with the girls and man thing. But anyways, just target him fade in the dog. Wheel out the machine. You did me I say? And the barber blanket thing. Boy, them a rob. Everybody go where so. How put the money I go in the hole. Boy, them a rob in the dog. Barber boy turn on the chair. You know them could be a side of bang bang. Bust out 2 boy jelly me say, yeah, officer, you had bite. Them officer, you know around with them officer you. They did me I say, yeah. No. So basically the government business corrupt. It's the government himself. Remember government, I am be again. I don't know, but the man himself who in charge of the community, or the constituents, or people really call that thing, they did me I say, you know, say he mix up with the gang dealing thing and the drug dealing thing in the place. You understand what go on? Yeah. So and him have my name Big Meek. Hey, what me hear somebody say Big Meek? That's a Johnny bro. That's the bodyguard for the he's actually a bodyguard in real life, yeah. But his name must be Big Meat. Me too. I the Big Meat. Him there. What about say Big Mike? I want them about Big Meat. Me hear them call. But yeah, him so he was the bodyguard for the boss of the government. I remember Wemby. I remember him roll dog. I don't trust it, but yeah. I know yes. Officer sniper, officer, earn them officer like him know say, yo, things are going on in the community, they need to start on the gun thing and te. You see me I say? So I say, why officer go link such man who in charge? But man like him know say if you only for control the streets, dog, basically. You see me I say? Yeah. Then 2 further under the movie now, dog. We see Bumbuckler, officer there in the ghetto camp and watch out the police in the dog. You me I say? Because you know say roach go some woman hot up the place. No, wait, pause. So the same man where man name dog, Bumbuckler. The same man with the big man, the man who in charge of deal with the ghetto where I do all of the dealings and things. The same man who him had link with, right? Roach and them man they are try push some drugs or something like that. You understand me? I try to say that. And it's like, me no see that part I show me not understand that. Like, oh, Bumbuckler, the officer, police boy, no, sir, yes, the man them there, and yes, the dealings are going. The man running in the dog. You see me, I say, I start right to the place with some shot. You see me, Mr. Rush about a thing like this dog. Jump through the blood clot. Yo, Mr. Rush jump through a Bumbuckler fence. Jump through the fence, jump through the wall, youth. I chew all the drugs, I cut the man them drugs. Somebody think say, yo, you see me make a video as a road god. So I thought that that was actually set up by Roach. Forget with the man them drugs or something, but no. And the part I showed never explained them, I don't know how Babylon officer knows something I go on this or no. I don't know about that part there. I don't know what I go on this, but yeah. What else go on, dog? Oh, Lord clean. I thought all of that dead now, boom. So the officer sees a Roach dead and say no Roach face. So he go back in the commentary Roach Roach resides. You see me and say, Roach you know Mez Boss. What Mez Boss team in the Bumbuckler show that? I remember Mez Boss team in the board. Them are the friend from Pitney days. You understand me? Them are friend from Pitney days, dog. So Mez Boss step on the side talk and say, you know, so yo, me can't them side work and call up Roach and say, yo brother, Fall come pick me up. Man take off him side clothes, everything and dumped up on the ground and thing and a chill. Jump in a car with biggest cliff and go in a mansion and live life. Scammer life. Zesser life basically it's called. Zesser, them call everything Zess. You see me I say? Yeah. So that go on. Then Big Meek. The bodyguard pull up in the community and Meds bust up on the block and chill. And the bodyguard pull up and say, yo, do you know a guy by the name of Roach? You see me I say? You know a guy by the name of Roach? Yeah, Meds bust up. No, I don't know nobody name no Roach, dog. No, wait. While I meet up there going, dog, the officer they cross the street and says, what the bodyguard doing here? That's the man who is in charge of the bodyguard. What is he doing here? You didn't hear I say, dog. I said, what am I doing here? But after the bodyguard jump back and cut off now, Bumbuckler, the Babylon go pull up and say, yo, Where you watch there? I don't say I wish I chill now. Hey boy, turn around, don't move in and shoot you. Yo, blood clot, the police are bad boy, the youth. Yo. So you watch there. You see me I say? And I really get no information about that from Miss Boss, because Miss Boss is a really bad blood clot boy. Then me I say, man, they not get no information, dog. Then 2, 3s, he may get no really information or nothing. As he may say, he ask why the security there. So I say, man, oh, I don't know the security, I don't know him, I don't know him name. As he may say, nah give out no information, dog. Yeah, real bad man say things that are safe. If you're a bad man, are safe for strips. You see me I say, no information, I don't know nothing. What you got to do? You see me? Nothing. Yeah. So after all of that, go on, boom, bang, bang. Further into the show now, Best Boss, I like myself some product. You see me, I say myself some product, dog. And this bumbo clad tea that pull up, pull up with no dog. Kidnap Miss Boss, dog. I say the blood clot, I go on the back. They make a blood the dog now. I say bumbo clot, 223. Then put him in our room and thing, and the big eat at them dog. Turn them back. Bumbo clot, man. I wish I Miss Boss get a knife or one from another dog. I don't say pull up in the dog, run up on the man in the dog. Boss that one that choke, get him gun. Go out the door. Say pussy. Boss out the bed and cut. Tood up in the man making a dog. And all because I'm friend roach in the dog. That's basically the concept of the show on the dog. Give me a say. Fast out the next show that we see Miss Boss and Swanee. Hey, I'll be a last one for that show. Think about it. There were like 3 times I see Swanee in the bumbo class show, dog. Them light up a community for one. Yeah, drive by, light up a blood clot community. You see me I say? And when my Miss Boss pull up in the car, in the back of the car, they do laugh. I'll be a last one laugh for the show, dog. But you know that. But I'll be a laugh for this man, do dog. You see me I say? Man, them call all this gunman from Bumbo Clot, New York. You see me I say? Security guard call New York. And I'm not going to no more, man. You see me I say? Then, out of the blues, towards the end of the show, dog, I say, Bumbo Clot. Guess who was in the show, people? Molandros, them step out, dog. Russian for them, you. Me I say, Bumbo Clot, that show you sick. People, I'm going to say again, you need to click the link to the original and go watch the show for yourself. You me I say, trust me, you're not going to be disappointed, dog. Me I say, what's if you don't come from Trinidad and watch the show, you need to click the link and go watch the show, dog. I'm going to say, run tune. Run tune, cop the merch. Right now, as I say, I YouTube me I do right now, dog. Coming out when I don't know when I'm gonna get my car back, guys. You understand? I'm gonna leave my damn camera in the car. I left my camera in the car. Oh, I can do reaction on my laptop. But fucking people there in my house, I can't really make no bag of noise. You know, so my reaction them are normal already, you know. Not normal, big up yourself, you know, dog. So and I'll get some more videos from me, dog. Trust me, dog. Cause this is work. This is my work right now. For now, me not another work I do. My car, that's one of my main source of income. And not just making YouTube videos in it. But do other things with my car, I forget money from. You understand? I say my car there in a shop, I go and I'm gonna leave a damn camera in the car, so yeah. But don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.